Did you just lose your girlfriend? Did you not want her to leave, but she left anyway against your wishes? Want to learn how to make your ex-girlfriend regret leaving you? Hey, I know what it's like to lose a girlfriend. It's lonely, it's sickening, and it feels like you failed as a man. And here's the hard part. It's true. When your relationship fails, in a way, you have failed. Now, I'm not being disrespectful or mean here. I'm just saying it is what it is. After all, you wanted her to stay. You could have made her stay, and you probably tried, but she left anyway, and that means you failed. So yes, if you want your ex-girlfriend to regret leaving you, that's understandable. And the good news is this, you can make her regret leaving you. And to do that, you'll need to first understand one thing, the real reason why she left you in the first place. It's a phenomenon called FOMO, and once you understand it, then everything will be clear. Not only will you be able to make her regret leaving you, but you could make her want to come back to you too. Does that sound like a good plan? If it does, then do take a moment to give this video a quick like down below. After you click the like button, I'll tell you all about the FOMO phenomenon. You'll learn the real reason why she left you, and then you'll learn precisely how to make your ex-girlfriend regret leaving you. Sounds good? So click the like button right now so we can get started on what the concept of FOMO is all about. You will understand why she left you for real and what your options are from now onwards. Go ahead and click like because I'll wait here. Done? Great. Let's get moving. So here's what the FOMO phenomenon is all about. I first learned about this from the dating coach Derek Rake, who's also my personal friend. Derek is an expert on mind control, and he teaches men to understand women completely, and the FOMO phenomenon is one of his more important lessons. FOMO is actually an acronym. It stands for the fear of missing out. And FOMO is the reason why many women make the baffling decision to leave the men they love. They're afraid of missing out. Missing out of what exactly? Here's the thing. Every healthy woman's deepest need is to be attached to a strong, dominant man who loves her. Now, when a woman finds such a man, she wouldn't have the FOMO feeling. She knows, deep inside, that this guy is the one, and so she won't be missing out on anything better. So she drops the FOMO feeling and commits her mind, body, and soul to this man. Now, what if a woman finds a good man, but he's not perfect for her? Let's say he's not emotionally strong, or he's too submissive, or he's still seeing other women. How would she feel? Naturally, she'd hesitate to commit to him. She'll know for a fact that there are better men out there, stronger, more dominant, and more ready to commit. And so FOMO, the fear of missing out, sets in. She starts withdrawing from her relationship until she leaves completely. Does that sound familiar? If your ex-girlfriend left you, it means you weren't the strong, dominant, committed guy she needed you to be. Maybe you had some hidden flaw that was a deal breaker for her. Who knows? It actually doesn't matter. What matters now is making her regret leaving you and, if you want to get her back. Now, how exactly do you do that? After all, she'll only regret leaving you if she realizes you were perfect for her, after all. And since she's already left you, it means her last impression of you isn't all that good. What's worse, nobody becomes strong and dominant instantly. Getting rid of hang-ups and personal flaws can take years. Luckily enough, there's a solution to the problem. Remember Derek, the dating coach who introduced me to the FOMO phenomenon? He has also devised a technique that makes any ex-girlfriend feel that she just made a huge mistake. And when your ex-girlfriend feels she shouldn't have left you, she'll soon start asking to get back together. Does that sound good to you? If it does, then do take a moment to click the subscribe button below the video. After you subscribe to the channel, I'll reveal to you the DEB Protocol. It's your best, if not your only, chance at making your ex-girlfriend regret leaving you. Are you ready? Then click subscribe now and I'll tell you all about the DEB Protocol. I'll wait here till you do. Have you subscribed? Excellent. So here's how the DEB protocol works. As you might have guessed, DEB is another acronym. It stands for Doing Even Better. And that's pretty much the plan. You must let your ex-girlfriend see that you're doing even better now than when you were still together. And here's the catch. You should do that without contacting her directly. That means no calls, no texts, no likes on social media, and so on. You want to make it so that when you do get in touch with each other, it's because she initiated contact, not you. And when she does get in touch with you, that's when you tell her that you're doing even better. For instance, when she asks how you're doing, you can tell her, "Me? I'm doing awesome, actually. Since we broke up, I've started that writing business I was telling you about. I've also been traveling more. Last week I was in Vegas. And I've been touching base with my old friends like crazy. It's been fun. How about you?" See how it works? Of course, it would be a lot better if everything you'll tell her was true. That's why it's a good idea to spend the time of zero contact actually doing fun stuff. Personal development is never a bad idea. On the other hand, you can make stuff up or exaggerate too. There's just the bigger risk of sounding like a tryhard. And yet, if you do it correctly, she'll actually miss you, and she'll ask if you'd like to meet up. At this, you say yes, and then you proceed to give her a roller coaster of a date, doing all the fun things you used to do together. And through it all, you make no mention of the relationship or getting back together. Remember, that has to come from her, not you. Keep that in mind. So what next? The DEB Protocol ends when she asks to get back together. That's the ultimate sign of regret in an ex-girlfriend. What you do next is up to you. Pretty good, huh? Now here's the thing. After you pull off the DEB Protocol, you're faced with a new challenge. If you got her back and restarted your relationship, then your next challenge is to make her stay for good. And if you said no when she asked to get back together, your next challenge would be to find another woman and start a better relationship. Yep, it's like that. And yet, luckily for you, no matter what your next challenge is, the solution is the same. There's a mind control technique that makes women feel completely addicted to you. And the addiction is so deep that they won't even think of leaving you. Wouldn't that be an awesome skill to have in a relationship? You'd better believe it. This special technique is called fractionation, and my buddy Derek Rake calls it the most powerful mind control technique in the world. What's more, it's an easy technique to learn because it's a conversation skill. It's something you can learn in one afternoon. How would you like to learn that skill today? If you're interested, then you're in luck. In just a moment, a link will pop up inside this video. That link will take you to a special online masterclass on mind control. It'll teach you everything you need to know about the fractionation technique. And best of all, the masterclass will be hosted by the master, Derek Rake himself. Click the link and sign up using your best email address. That way Derek will know where to send your invite ticket as soon as you qualify for the masterclass. Remember, it's one thing to make your ex-girlfriend regret leaving you. It's another thing to make a woman stay with you for life. Why not gain the ability to do both? Click the link and join Derek's online masterclass now. Go ahead and click the link now.